I give some additional shortcut tips on Smart Charts now. On Insert tab, I click on Smart Art, select any type, let's say hierarchy and maybe this one, okay. Just to be clarified, I give some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and I choose the number 4. Note that if you want to rotate or resize, of course you can do by your mouse. And for changing the order, as I mentioned on beginner course, you could use the promote or demote, or use text pane and do manually by pressing tab or backspace or reordering. But if I select the border, if you use arrow keys up and down, right and left, of course it's gonna move. If I hold on the shift key and then use arrow keys, I could resize them. In some cases, you might see the shrinking or increasing size step is too much. You could simply add Control or Command key to this combination. So Shift Control or Shift Command, and then use arrow keys to make it much smaller for resizing. So actually the Control or Command key will decrease the changing amount. Also, if I hold on the Alt or Option key and use arrow keys left and right, I could rotate it each 15 degrees. Again, hold on the Alt or Option with Control or Command, Alt, Control or Option Command. You could rotate much smaller. And finally, if I hold on the Alt Shift or Option Shift on the Mac and use left arrow, you see I could promote or demote. Left for promoting and Alt Shift and right for demoting. Alt Shift or Option Shift on the Mac and up and down for orders changing. So again, allow me to change this color to be more specified. All right, not border, actually the full color. Okay, so Alt Shift or Option Shift on the Mac, left and right for promoting and demoting, up and down for changing the order. You know, Alt for rotating, Shift for resizing, Alt Control for a small degree rotation, Shift Control for a small resizing. I think this shortcuts combination will help you to modify and adjust your smart arts much faster and easier.